This is YouTube by DM here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can install this app, which is a virtual AI cloth remover. It works for iOS and Android. Just simply watch this tutorial to the end. So it's really quite easy to install it. This is website right here. Go ahead and search for Andres here at the top. You'll find Andres AI mod info. You have 600 credits and premium as well. Go ahead, press the download button and you'll see the process started. This will work with Android and iPhone iOS. Just a quick disclaimer: this video mentions third-party store, which is APK mode. Go, we do not own it, we will not endorse or take responsibility for any issues that may arise from its use. So please use it at your own discretion. So once it finishes here, you simply press accept, then jump onto your device settings. On iPhone, you press profile, download it, and then top right corner, go ahead and press install. So now when you come back down screen, you'll find here an app, which is Andres AI mod. And this will bring us to Andres AI app. And you'll see here you have 600 credits and a pro plan. Simply upload the image here and the app will do the rest. I cannot show you, of course. I want to thank you for coming so far. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Cheers.